Hey guys, what's up? Today in the Brick Lab, we're going to be fixing up Kai's newest fire mech. So at first glance, it looks like Kai has the perfect mid-size mech, but then when you look closer, you realize one small problem. Well, make that two small problems. The hands. I mean, what even are these things? He has no wrists, so he can't move his hands around, and he just has 3 claws at the end of his arms. Now, I get it. These mechs are designed for younger builders, so they probably can't quite grasp the concept of hands. They probably don't know what they are yet. But for those of us who do know what hands are, we can just go ahead and add some in. Honestly, it shouldn't be too difficult, so let's take a look and see where that gets us. And now here's Kai's mech with fully functioning hands. Isn't that so much better? Well, to be honest, you wouldn't be able to tell from a distance, but unless you're doing a pose like this. But hey, it's the little things in life, right? But yeah, you can see we added in a whole bunch of articulation here. The wrist can spin around, the fingers can open and close, and it looks a whole lot more like a fist rather than the feeble claws he had just on the end of his arm. Plus, it just looks so much better. I was just joking about not being able to tell earlier. If you're gonna give Kai's mech a giant blade like this, you gotta give him the functionality to be able to use it. And of course, obviously I left all the other functions intact. He can still spin his hips, he can move around, you can pose him to his heart's content. If you want to build it, I guess we can do a build tutorial real quick, and I'll obviously throw a part list in the description with all the parts that you'll need, but spoiler alert, it won't be too many. And if you were able to follow along, you should end up with something that looks exactly like this. This was a pretty brief video, but then again, there really wasn't a whole lot to fix on this mech because, like I said, it is pretty much perfect. It has a very nice aesthetic design, and it's put together very well. Probably my favorite out of all the mechs that we've gotten in this wave so far. Definitely better than that Wolfpack mech, but that's a subject for another video, right? Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that other good stuff, and I will see you next time.